This is Njambiz Tutorials, where we learn digital marketing, branding, and business tips and tricks. Subscribe for videos every week. Today, I want to show you how to create a Facebook ad, and more specifically, how to boost a post on Facebook, which is the easiest Facebook ad type to do. I will show you how to create the various ad types on Facebook through different videos on my channel. So if you haven't, subscribe and support a girl's channel. It is absolutely free to subscribe, and support the channel. But if you're feeling generous, you can also drop a donation to my PayPal account. Details on your screen and in the description box below. You can support the channel with a donation of any amount. I will be grateful. Or you can support the channel for free by subscribing. Thank you. Now let's get started. So first off, you want to navigate to the page where you want to boost the post. Here is my page. I'll be using Njambiz Tutorials. You can also follow Njambiz Tutorials on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The username across all is Njambiz Tutorials, at Njambiz Tutorials. So I'll navigate to that page and to the post I want to boost. I'd already posted this, so I'll go ahead and click boost below the post right there. And here we go. This is actually the simplest ad you can do on Facebook, is boost a post. So this is how you go about it. Now first off, I'll change the ad account I want to run this on, because I have multiple ad accounts on Facebook. Now if you haven't already, you can check out my video on how to create multiple Facebook ad accounts. It's on my channel, obviously. I will link it in the top right corner right now and in the description box below. Check out how to create multiple ad accounts on Facebook. So I'll select the ad account I'm using right here. Then I will go to my goal. You can select the goal you want for the ad. Either automatic, let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings, or you can select your goal as get more messages, get more video views because I'm promoting a video, get more leads, or get more calls. Now for today, I'll be doing get more video views because I am promoting a video post, so I'll save that. Then go to my button. You can have your button as get more messages, and you can even change the objective back up here, the goal, to get messages if you want, but that's not my goal for today. So I'll change my button to learn more and put in a link. I'll put a link to my YouTube channel. There we go. Then special ad category. If you have an ad about the economy, civil and social rights, basically social issues, political stuff, you can select this as a special ad category. Mine is not. You can learn more about that here if you want. So I will continue. I'll not select that because mine is just your regular ad. I will then choose my targeting for my audience. So I will go ahead and select all genders for my ad. The age group, select the age group, and the location. So I've selected my location. I'll go ahead and put in some more detailed targeting, people who have interests in digital marketing. So I've put in my interests. I'll go ahead and save the audience, and as you can see, it's giving me my potential reach as 230 million, and it's saying my audience selection is fairly broad. So you can get it as specific as possible if you're doing for a specific product or service, but for what I'm doing, it's a bit broader. So I'll go ahead and save the audience and then select the duration to run the ad. I can do 7 days, or I can do till the end of the month. Actually, that's 19 days. And then go ahead and select the budget. So I'll put this as a total budget of $19 so that I can have $1 per day on the ad. So important to note, you can be given total budget or daily budget. Be sure to check on that so that you don't put in the daily budget as your total budget or your total budget as your daily budget. So just check on that. So it's asking for my total budget. That's what I'll put as my total budget. $1 per day. If it was asking for my daily budget, I'd put in $1. So we'll continue. Placements, I want this to show on Instagram and Facebook. I do not want it to show on Messenger, so I'll deselect that. Have just Facebook and Instagram. I'll not be doing pixels on this, but I will be doing a video on how to create and install Facebook pixels very soon, so subscribe if you haven't. So that's it. I've finished my ad. As you can see on my right side, it's giving you a preview. It's giving me a preview of what the ad will look like, and it's giving me an estimated daily results of people reached and video views, as well as a payment summary, exactly how much I will be charged. So I'll go ahead and just boost the post now. So I'm advertising for business purposes. If you check that, VAT will not be charged. So I'll go ahead and save. It's submitting my ad, and there you go. My ad has been created. It's currently in review, as you can see right here. Once it's done, I will be notified and the ad will start running as soon as it is approved. So you can go to Ad Center just to check that out. Here we go. There's my ad. It's currently in review, and you can create further ads if you want. And this is where you'll also get your analytics. Once your ad starts running, you can check in on your analytics. I can do a different video on analytics as well, the video performance, the ad performance, and what to expect on a different video. So again, if you haven't, subscribe for tips, tutorials, and tricks on digital marketing on this channel every single week. So that's it for today's video. I will catch up with you in the next one. If you liked this video, if you found it informative, if it was helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. As you can see, my post boost is already showing me at the bottom. It's in review. It's showing it's boosted and it's in review. Once this is approved, I will see here and it will start showing me the stats for engagement. Comment below if you would like to see a specific video on this channel. Comment below if this was helpful, informative for you. And subscribe if you haven't. Remember, it is absolutely free to subscribe and support my channel. You can also support the channel with a donation of any amount to my PayPal. Details on your screen and in the description box below, or for free by subscribing. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.